to another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about the admin portal, which is accessible through mysolidworks.com. Here you can control member logins and access to various products for your company's account. So here from mysolidworks.com, I'm simply going to log in with my SolidWorks ID to access my admin portal. If I don't have a SolidWorks ID, I can create it from here as well. Once logged in, I simply have to select my name and go to Admin Portal. Once in the Admin Portal, you can do a number of things. You can see all the different products available for your company's account. You can see the various members attached to your company's account to assign products to them. In here, there's a number of members within our company's account, and I can search through them using some simple filters such as first name, last name, and email. I can also organize things by what type of user rights they have, whether they're admins such as myself, members, or if they're pending acceptance into the company's account. I can also download a members report to see all the various people attached to our account, and I can simply invite members by selecting this icon here. All I have to do is type in the address or email addresses of people I wish to invite, and I can control what level of user rights they receive upon accepting the link to join our account. You can also customize the message they see in their email to join the account. Once they are added to the list, they'll be showing as pending until they click the link on their end, which redirects them to an admin portal page where they simply have to click OK on the registration page, and they can contact your list of SolidWorks administrators to receive access to the various products that are attached to your company's account. Once they accept, they'll be loaded into a list of members with their proper user rights. Here I've just added myself with my personal email address. I can go into this member's account, I can go into this member's profile, and I can assign products and remove products as needed to give them access to various things. I can also remove members that are no longer with our company and don't need any more access to our SolidWorks products. If you have any further questions, please contact us at the information below.